What if everything you've been told about the moon is only half the story? For decades, space agencies have shown us images of the moon's bright, familiar face, the one that watches over Earth every night, calm, silent, harmless. But there is another side, a side that never faces us, a side hidden in permanent darkness, a side that we were never meant to see. Because when scientists finally looked closer, they didn't just find rocks and craters, they found things that don't belong. Tonight, we're diving into 3 terrifying discoveries on the dark side of the moon that still don't have answers. And trust me, the third one will make you question everything. Welcome to Deep Dark Secrets. Discovery number 1, the mysterious structures. When the first high-resolution images of the moon's far side were transmitted back to Earth, scientists expected more of the same: impact craters, dust, and lifeless terrain. Instead, something strange appeared. Buried within the shadows of massive craters were formations that didn't look natural. Angular shapes, straight lines, perfect geometric patterns. Now, in space, almost everything is chaotic. Craters are random, rocks are irregular. Nature doesn't usually create symmetry like that, especially not on such a large scale. But these formations, they looked designed. Some researchers quietly suggested they could be the remains of ancient structures, not human, but something else. Others dismissed it as pareidolia, the brain seeing patterns where none exist. But here's the problem. These shapes appeared repeatedly, across different images, taken at different angles, and they all shared one unsettling detail. They were located in areas that are almost always in shadow, as if, whatever they are, they were never meant to be seen. Discovery number 2, the deep signal beneath the surface. In 2019, a lander touched down on the far side of the moon for the first time in history. Its mission was simple: study the soil, analyze the environment, and send back data. And at first, everything seemed normal, until it wasn't. During a routine scan, instruments detected something unexpected beneath the surface. A signal, not a sound, not exactly, but a repeating pattern. A pulse. At first, scientists thought it was interference, a glitch, but the signal persisted, and it wasn't random. It had structure, a rhythm, almost like something was transmitting from beneath the moon. Now, let's be clear. There's no confirmed evidence that this signal was artificial, but here's what makes it disturbing. The signal didn't match any known natural phenomenon. Not seismic activity, not magnetic interference, and after a few days, it stopped completely. No explanation, just silence, almost as if whatever was down there realized it was being listened to. Discovery number 3, the moving shadows. This is the one that keeps researchers up at night, because it challenges one basic assumption we all have about the moon: that nothing moves there. No wind, no life, no activity, just stillness. But that assumption might be wrong. Over the years, multiple orbiting satellites have captured images of the moon's far side. And when those images were compared over time, something didn't add up. Shadows were shifting. Not because of the sun, but on their own. Small, dark shapes appeared in one image and were gone in the next. Others seemed to change position, slowly, subtly, but undeniably. Now, skeptics argue these are just imaging artifacts, but some of these movements don't follow any known pattern. They don't match the sun's angle, and in a few cases, the shadows appear to move against the light, which should be impossible, unless they aren't shadows at all. Think about it. A hidden side of the moon we can never see from Earth. strange geometric formations that shouldn't exist, a signal from beneath the surface that suddenly goes silent, and shadows that move when nothing should. Individually, each of these discoveries might have an explanation, but together they form a pattern, and that pattern suggests something far more unsettling. We don't fully understand what's on the other side of the moon. The moon has always been there, watching, silent, unchanging, or at least that's what we thought. But maybe we've only been looking at the part it wants us to see. And the dark side? That's where the real secrets are, waiting. If you made it this far, you're now one of the few who knows. But the question is, do you believe it? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to uncover more truths hidden in the shadows, subscribe to Deep Dark Secrets, because some secrets were never meant to be discovered.